Hi guys, welcome to Cooking Phenomenon. Today I got something really nice to cook up for you guys. I'm gonna do some stew peas with my pigtail right here that I've already boiled off in some water, just some water alone to take some of the salt off. And then we have our cow foot. So I'm gonna do it with the cow foot and the pigtail. Here I have my favorite, as you know, my paprika, my coconut milk, and a little sazan if needed. Then I have my garlic and my thyme and scallion, my pepper and my onion, my carrot right here, and my sweet peppers for later video. I normally use the green sweet pepper. I'm out today, so I'm working with this one. And then we have our ginger. Right over here, we have our peas. I pre-soaked my peas because I'm showing you guys how to do it without the pressure cooker. I pre-soaked my peas from early to get it all soft and nice. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna add my garlic in. Then I had my ginger and I'm gonna add my onions, right? Just my onions because I like when my onions are cooked out a little bit in my food. Then I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna go and add my cow foot one by one. We had them there. I've already pre-cooked the pigtail already, so I'm not gonna do anything to it as yet until I get these boys a little bit softer, right? Then I'm gonna stir my pot up a little and set this to boil. In a little later on, we have our flour right here as well for um our meal. Let's cover and let it simmer for a little bit. Alright? Okay guys, welcome back. So I've allowed my pot to boil a little bit before I add my coconut milk. And I want it to cook with my coconut milk. So I'm gonna add the coconut milk in at the same time. And I'm gonna stir. I am making my peas and my tofu cook out some more. Then I'm gonna add my pigtail. There we go. Because remember, the pigtail is already boiled out with the salt. So I'm gonna cover back, guys, and let it cook down, and we'll be back for the final touches. See you in a few. Hi guys, here we are. Almost there, guys. Almost there. But before we do anything else, we are gonna be adding our seasoning and our dumplings in our pot. I've gone ahead and I've kneaded the flour. We don't need too much either, so we're gonna be adding our dumplings in the pot one by one. We do it like this. We just break and we roll. Smells so good, guys. So pretty. We just take our time and we make sure that we do everything the right way. In other follow-up videos, I will do it in the pressure cooker for you, but I'm just showing it to you, those who don't have a pressure cooker, to do everything and so on, okay? Let's add our little dumplings one by one. Let me know what you like your stew peas with. As I say, I have a ton more videos for you coming up that we will do with more. So we're gonna stir. Make sure there's something together, guys. Very nice. Then we're gonna add our seasonings, our sweet pepper. That's the orange one. As I say, I always use mostly the green one in my stew peas, but I'm out. These are already cleaned and washed. This is my scallion and my thyme. I'm gonna add my carrot as well, and clean a little. Let's stir this up. Guys, make sure you try these recipes and let me know, okay? And tell me how it is. Then let's go ahead and add a tablespoon of my paprika. Paprika is for taste and to make the color even prettier, and a little bit of my all-purpose. You add your seasoning to taste based on what you're doing. As well, we turn it around. And I'm gonna add my sazan. Make sure if you're adding your sazan, you boil your pigtail properly. Then I'm gonna add a little bit here. Here. I'm gonna make sure that we get